So yes, we have completed the recruitment portion, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you guys remembering what we have discussed in the last day? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so quickly we'll revise what we have discussed last day, and then quickly we'll start with the selection process. Okay, so yes, just quickly one person tell me what is recruitment. We have
Uh,
covered
rec-
all these things. Yeah,
yes,
go
ma'am.
ahead, fam.
Recruitment, it is the process of searching for prospective employees and stimulating them to apply for jobs in an organization.
Yeah, correct. Okay, fine, absolutely. Anyone? Anyone else wants to share anything about what is recruitment, what is understanding?
Ma'am, basically, recruitment is a process in which we hire the candidates according
Hmm?
to the company's
Hmm?
portal. How the details of the company, like if they need an engineer, so we have to source the candidates who are done BSc or something. We have to hire candidates according to that.
Correct. So searching for the correct
Right candidate.
right people, yes, right candidate
Yes,
for
ma'am.
that right
Searching for a
like for that
perfect
particular
candidate.
job, right?
Mm. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. So it's basically how we are matching their skill sets with that job role, correct? So we have discussed objectives of recruitments. So from this points, any 2 points can anyone share? Just what is your understanding, what we have discussed? Anything? Divya ma'am, Vartini ma'am, Kritika ma'am.
Ma'am, in this recruitment, we
Hmm?
get means talented interns or talented employees in our company.
Okay, you can just read the point from here and you can just tell by like from your own word, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let's see the
Attract and
first point. Yeah. What is the first point you're saying? Support the
support the
organization? Yes. Yeah. Read it out, ma'am.
organization ability to acquire, retain, and develop the best talent and skills. Means the
Hmm.
objective of recruitment is that we means we hire the employees which acquire the best talent. Means which is the talent which is best for the organization, talent and skills for the organization.
Yes, absolutely. Correct. And okay, the last point, increase the effectiveness of various recruiting techniques. Anyone wants to share anything on this point? Okay, so it's basically how we are utilizing their talents, how it is affecting the organization's productivity, the result, the goal, what we have set for the organization, right? How we are recruiting and how we are using those recruitment process and training and how it gives us the best result. Okay, so basically objectives of recruitment, we can say that yes, hiring the best candidate for that particular role, right? Utilizing their skills, retaining them, and definitely how we have to, as an HR, we have to like motivate them also, right? To involve into that process. Correct?
Correct, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
correct.
fine. So yes, next slide, ma'am. So yes, we all have discussed this, like process of recruitment. So first, what we have to do is identifying the job requirement, preparing JD, like job specifications, what all are included there, we all have discussed in a detailed way, right? So are you remembering, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So can anyone tell me what is like what all included in JD?
It includes duties and responsibilities, ma'am, like job type and shift. In job specification, a qualification that does like experience
Yes,
and
yes. So in simple word, we can say jobs description is more related to that job, and job this specification is more related to the person,
person.
okay, whom we are going to hire, their skill sets and all. Correct? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So yes, next slide, ma'am. Snehal, ma'am. Yeah. So we have discussed sources of recruitment, internal and external. Here we have discussed all these points, right? By transferring one employee to another position, one position to another position, we can recruit, like right. Then we can do promotions. We can often promotion that particular person if that person is contributing well to that organization. We can think of promoting that employee like that, but that is also another way of recruitment. Correct? And external recruitment, in external recruitment we can say that like how, campus recruitment, right? How we can do, how we can go for campus placements, that is also external recruitment, है ना? Like educational institutions, placement agencies, right? Are you
Yes,
getting?
ma'am.
Okay. So am I making myself clear, right? Any doubts in this? Because without understanding this, we can't go further, right?
Please explain this slide once again.
Okay, so see, we have discussed it earlier. So you can do one thing, you can go and just check on the YouTube. You can get the video, okay? But in a shorter note, I'm just telling you internal source of recruitment, like how we get the employees, okay? So basically, internal all includes transfers, promotions, okay? Like retired employees. This is also very important. Suppose like we can do one thing that yes, ma'am, Snehal ma'am, you can continue. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. So, sources of recruitment is basically from which way you are recruiting the people. So, there are two types of recruitment, like internal recruitment and external recruitment. So, basically, internal recruitment is nothing but recruiting the employees from their own company, like inside. It is more related to inside the company. Like transfers can be there from one place to another place in the same company, like into the other branches and all, and promotion and then upgrading, demotion. So it is more related to inside the organization. So recruitment is done inside the organization. It is nothing but internal source recruitment. Okay, understood what is internal recruitment?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Okay, and external sources of recruitment is nothing but like we are hiring we are hiring the employees from outside the organization, like by advertising about the job post and by campus selection through the educational institutions, then by connecting or contacting the placement agencies, outsourcing, or by employment exchanges and labor contractors or unsolicited applicants and employee referrals. So it is more about like recruitment outside the organization. Okay, we are hiring the employees from outside the organization, and it has their more pros and cons. We have also discussed what are the advantages and disadvantages of both internal sources and external sources of recruitment. Okay, understood difference between internal and external recruitment?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Yes.
Okay. Any doubt in the whole part of recruitment? Like we have discussed the definition, the objectives. the process, and the sources. Any doubt until this point?
No, ma'am.
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 Okay, shall we go ahead then with the selection?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
So everything is clear till now, right?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we can start with the selection. Okay. So any idea about selection? What is your understanding? How we do selection, or what is the definition of selection? Anyone wants to try?
Basically, selection means we need to select the candidates according to the skills and knowledge.
Correct. Okay. Anyone else?
Picking or
Basically, selection
suitable for a job.
selection means selecting the candidates based on their performance and skills, etc., ma'am.
Okay, so basically, can anyone tell me what is the difference between selection and recruitment? Divya ma'am, please mute yourself.
Ma'am, selection is a part of recruitment.
Okay, not like that. Anyone else?
Exactly.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
So basically, what is the main difference of recruitment and selection is, like in recruitment, we attract the people, we stimulate them to apply for the job. So it is nothing but recruitment. So in recruitment, we get so many applications for the job, and selection, we select the most suitable people. Like we have discussed the in definition, like we select the right person for that job. Okay, so that is nothing but selection, selecting an employee from the pool of candidates who have applied for the job. The selection, as the word suggests, it is nothing but selecting the right candidate for the job. Okay, understood the difference between recruitment and selection?
Yes, ma'am.
It's clear now?
Okay, so
Yes. So, yes, ma'am.
so can anyone just tell me again what is the difference between recruitment and selection? Yes.
Yes, guys. Tell us, because Nehal ma'am has just said, right? What is the difference between recruitment and selection in a very easier way? So you guys can remember.
Ma'am, recruitment is like we
Yes.
send applications to the employees, and selection is that after application, the employees are selected on the basis of their skills and talent.
Yes, exactly. Yes, Adrija ma'am.
So is it clear? Yeah. Yes, ma'am. So is it clear? What is the difference between recruitment and selection now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
So
then we'll
yes.
start with the
Next slide,
selection now.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Next slide, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I
So
have
we have
changed the slide.
discussed. Yeah, ma'am. Now it's visible. Yes. So we have discussed like what is selection, right? So here you can just can anyone just read it out? What has written here? Anyone from you?
Can I, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Sure. Go ahead.
It is process of picking individuals who have relevant qualifications to fill jobs in an organization. The purpose is to choose the individual who can more.
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
The purpose is to choose the individual who can most successfully perform the job from the pool of qualified candidates.
Yes. So, what is the purpose? Here written that to choose the individual. Okay, we are getting lots of applications, right? From that applications, what positions we are looking for? Suppose we are looking for uh, a software engineer. Okay, with the, or we can say fine. We can say that Python developer. Okay, like the skill set should be there, Python. Okay, the post is software developer. Okay, so for that particular role, what will be the skill sets we are looking for? That should be, you know, considered first. Are you understanding?
Ma'am, would you please repeat once?
Yes, okay. So basically the purpose is when we are posting a job, right? So we are getting a lots of applications for that particular role. Correct? Suppose we
Yes,
are
ma'am.
yes, suppose we are looking for let's say English teacher, English professor. Okay, we are hiring for English professor. Normal, just in general. Okay. So, what would be the convenient skills? What would be the required skill for that person for that particular role? That person should done uh, MA for that particular, like MA in English, correct?
Yes,
Masters
particular
in
degree.
English.
Yes, ma'am. Mm.
Yes. So that's what I'm asking. If we are getting a lots of applications, maybe there would be some other like other applications are also there which are not relevant to that particular role. So understanding that and choosing the correct one is the purpose, right? Selecting the correct one for that particular position from the pool
Yes,
of
ma'am.
qualified candidates. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
it's clear.
Clear, ma'am.
Okay, so shall we go next?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so selection process. How we do the selection in any organization. So the first is receiving applications. So what is your understanding on this point? Anyone just
So,
try?
anyone would apply for this job means we
Mm.
have just receiving that applications, whether who are all applied for that job or not.
Correct, correct. So basically, it's the receiving applications. We have posted the job in various portals and we have got various applications. Correct? Now the next step is screening of all applications, whatever application we have got. Okay, this application from like forms of almost all organizations. Like we can download the applications from the various platforms where we have posted our jobs. Correct? Right? So once,
Yes, ma'am.
am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So there would be a screening committee, okay, who perform this particular step like task. So after receiving all the applications, okay, once the applications we got, okay, the screening committee goes with that, okay. So basically, what they do, they checks the the details and calls the candidates for the selection test. Okay, like what all their basically we have got their CVs, right? CV or resumes. So we will look into that. Okay, that this particular person is suitable or not. Okay, then we'll call them for that. Okay, you have selected for that interview. So and so, and maybe coming week you will be having your interview. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so basically the purpose of this tape is to read out the best suitable candidates as spending time on them, like we are wasting time, money or not. Okay, that person would be the best fit or not. So basically, understanding on that. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the next point is employment test. Okay. So see, basically, these tests are, you know, done to check the domain knowledge of that particular candidates or that respective for that respective jobs. Okay. Checking their domain knowledge. So for that, most of the there are various tests done by the organizations. Okay, few of them are intelligence test, aptitude test. Have you heard of aptitude test? Right? You must have you must have heard of aptitude
Yes,
test.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you tell me what is aptitude test? Yes, Arif sir. Can you tell me
Ma'am,
what
can you
is
repeat?
aptitude test?
Ma'am, it is a test to know the abilities of a candidate through various like questions and all.
Okay, so basically, aptitude test, like we use speakers to understand their capacity to learn a particular skill. Okay, there are two types, mainly two types of aptitude tests done by the organizations they have taken. Like one is cognitive, okay, which basically to understand their intellectuality. Okay, and like mental aptitudes, their mental states. From that, we
Like
can
reasoning
understand it.
and all.
Yes, correct. Absolutely.
And
And the
problem
second one
solving also.
is, yes, yes, what, ma'am?
Problem solving skills and all.
Correct. Absolutely. Okay. And the second one is called a motor taste. Okay. So it's basically, we check the hand-eye coordination of employees. Okay. Now, I have told intelligence test, right? So can anyone tell me what is intelligence test? Have you heard of this? Do you have any idea?
No, ma'am. No idea
Okay,
about it.
no problem, no problem. So this test has been you know arranged or because to check their mental ability of that particular candidate. Okay, how they can understand the questions, how they can take quick decisions on that crucial point, how they can like basically to understand their decision making skills, problem solving skills. Okay. See, people who
Okay,
are
ma'am.
able to quickly answer, right? That what we will be thinking that that person is more skillful, correct? So basically, is the intelligence test to understand their mental ability. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
is it clear?
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
it's clear.
ma'am.
Okay. So the next step is interview, right? Selection interview, or we can say that. So basically, what is interview? Like you all have like known, right? This word is very known to us. Interview, selection interview, right? So anyone have any
It is a
idea?
face-to-face communication between the one is hiring and who is applying.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, correctly. Yes, sir. Yes,
I think
Arif, sir,
I'm
you are
having
correct. The
network
interview
issue.
technique. Okay. So as Arif sir said, interview is basically
Huh?
face-to-face communication between interview and
Hmm?
interviewer. Okay.
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. So basically, interview is face-to-face communication, right? Here we can check that candidate's communication skills, how confident that person is, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How enthusiastic that person for that role. Okay, that person is truly interested for that role or organization or not. We can understand that. Body language, right? These all are like included in interview. We all we consider all these points in interview only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, now is checking of like reference checking, right? So once the candidate's interview is over, so the reference, like he
Excuse
might
me,
he
ma'am.
yes, yes,
Sorry
Krizana.
to interrupt, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Tell me, what is the issue?
Uh, Sorry to interrupt, ma'am. I want to ask that on what basis the interviewer select a candidate?
Okay, so there are several we consider when we take interview. Okay, mainly we for like when we are taking interview, the communication skills, it is mainly dependent on the job role, what role we are looking for. If we are looking for an HR person, then definitely that person has to have a very good communication skills, right? If right.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, so basically that domain knowledge, body language, communication skills, everything is considered when we are taking an interview. Okay, how confident that person, how confidently that person is answering, even if that person doesn't know that answer, how they're facing that particular situation on that point. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, there are various uh, points we consider when we are taking interviews, but it definitely should be aligned to the job role for which role we
Okay,
are
ma'am.
selecting. Correct?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. So I was talking about reference checking, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So once the candidate's interview is over, the reference he or she had mentioned. Okay. So we will quickly go with that person. Okay, we'll contact that person and we'll just quickly understand that person's behavior. Like we can suppose that person has mentioned that he's ABC name. Okay, we'll quickly call them that person and we'll quickly understand about that person's behavior, how he has been with that person, what is the relationship. Okay, if that person was his co-workers, right? So anything like character, mainly the understanding about that person's character, if that person is having a good relation with their employees or co-workers or not. Are you getting my point? Like if that person is saying no, that person is not having a good relation with their employees. Okay, if that person is giving negative feedback, so we will not go for that person, we will not hire that person, right? Before hiring we will think twice. So for that reason we'll check the references after the interview round. Correct? Is it clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next step is medical examination. So basically, one like after the candidate has been approved for that particular job, so his physical fitness is examined through this process, medical specialists of that particular company. Okay. If the report says that he or she is medically fit for that particular job, then they are finally selected. Okay. In case there is any problem with the fitness, the candidates given reasons for like we have to give reasons while rejecting, right? So we can give that reason as they are not fit from physically. Correct?
Yes,
Up till
understood the
here?
selection
Yes, ma'am.
process.
Yes. Till
Okay,
now
so
it's
in
clear?
the recruitment process,
Yes, ma'am. One point is left, the last point. Final selection. Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
So, yes. So, what is the final selection? What is your understanding?
That means the person fit for above process, the person is selected for a final selection, ma'am.
Correct. So, the decision basically taken by that line managers, right? So, the line managers are then asked to give final decisions after all technical, medical tests are cleared by that particular candidate. Okay. So basically, the decision is now within the line manager and the HR manager who takes that final decision. So whether they will recruit that person, they will select that person or not. Correct? So this is the final selection. So in this selection process, any questions, any query?
No, ma'am.
Yes, Snail ma'am, you can continue.
Okay, so we have seen one example in recruitment process, as you might have like remember that we have received so many applications for Java developer, right? Yes, remember? In this example, we have considered a job post which is like Java developer. Yes, remember? Yes, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, respond.
Okay, so we have received application of suppose Java developer. Then there will be screening of application where we will check the skills required by the candidate. Suppose the candidate is having the skill set, like he is known of the Java language and he might have training of that, then we can go for the employment test and then we can call that employee and ask for giving like aptitude test like related in which employment test programming test will be included which will be of Java programming. Yes, so the test will be taken and if the candidate qualifies the test then interview will be taken, and while taking the interview they can ask the questions related to Java language, his communication and related to his post, right? Are you getting till this step? Can you relate the example?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Understood, ma'am.
then reference checking. So if the fresher is applying for that job, then he might give the phone numbers of his faculties from college. Okay, and if otherwise, if is we are selecting him from the like other company, then he might be given like co-worker's number or his manager's number. Then we can do the reference checking by contacting those references. Okay. So here in this case, as we are just getting the candidate of Java developer, then there will be like mild medical examination. Like there is no medical examination as such, but in case of like army selection or like navy selection, there will be medical examination for the like height or physical examination kind of thing, in which fitness is must. Okay. Then the final selection is done with the discussion of his might be project manager or in which like with which he's going to work. Yes, understood. Can you relate the example? Yes,
Yes,
understood.
ma'am.
What is the selection process? Okay, any doubt in recruitment and selection? Yes.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so there will be quiz on recruitment and selection tomorrow or might be after day tomorrow. Okay, so be prepared, and if you are having any questions you can ask now. Yes.
Yes, guys. If you are not clear with this, we are we will be not going through the next topic. Okay.
Ma'am, where can we find the recordings for these classes, ma'am?
You can find it on YouTube, and if it is not uploaded, I will contact the team leader and then she will be sharing the link with you of the lectures.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, but we have seen like on Mondays recruitment process and selection today. So if anyone having any doubt in this, if also the link is not available, you can ask now if any problem is there. We have discussed the revision also today.
Yes, any questions up till whatever we have discussed? Recruitment and selection, the processes, the examples ma'am given, right? Now I think it should be very clear to you, right? Is it clear or is there
It's
any
clear, ma'am.
doubt you guys are having? Tell us
Ma'am,
without, if you guys are not telling, how we will be understanding, right?
ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, Vartini ma'am.
Ma'am, would you please tell me what is the difference between process of requirement and process of selection?
Yes, ma'am. So recruitment, as we have discussed the difference between recruitment and selection, right? In recruitment, what we are going to do is we just attracting the candidates to apply the job. So this is the process of like how the employee is gonna apply for the job. Like what is the medium? Like first we will identify the job requirement as a HR. This all the processes is done by HR manager, right? So as an HR, first we'll find the job recruitment requirement, like for some position we are requiring a candidate. And then we'll prepare the job analysis with job description and job specification, like what are the job responsibilities, skills required, and then salary and all these things. And then we will advertise for that vacant position on like job portals, like as we have discussed, Naukri.com, Internshala, like Indeed. Then we will advertise through the social media platforms or job portals, and then through which the candidates will apply for that job. And then we will manage that application. Like we have received so many applications from various media, right? From job portals or from like we have seen the sources, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we have received from so many sources. Then we will manage that, and then we will filter that so that it will continue here, like receiving application in selection process. So recruitment is the first step of like we will do recruitment and then we'll proceed with the selection process. And today, as we have discussed, it will continue with the selection process. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Understood, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. So please ask if anyone is having any doubts so that it will get clear today only. Okay. Yes, understood everybody?
Yes, ma'am, no
Everything is
doubt.
clear? Recruitment
So
process and
I'll just
everything,
short.
selection process. Yeah. So everything is clear, right?